How to restore WhatsApp from Google Drive. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to restore your WhatsApp chats and media from Google Drive so you can get all your messages back when switching phones or reinstalling WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, install WhatsApp on a new phone or reinstall it on your current device. On Android, go to Google Play Store to download it, and on iPhone, go to App Store to download it. You'll see cloud-like button if you are reinstalling WhatsApp. Click on it. Now it may take some time depending on your internet speed. After your download is completed, you can see open button like this. Click on open to use WhatsApp Messenger. Now click on agree and continue. Then type in your phone number here and make sure it's the same number used for the backup. WhatsApp will automatically detect any available backups on Google Drive linking to your account. When prompted, tap Restore to begin downloading your chat history and media from Google Drive. This may take some time depending on your internet speed and backup size. Make sure to stay connected to Wi-Fi. Once the restore is complete, tap Next and WhatsApp will open with all your chat restored. And that's how you restore WhatsApp from Google Drive. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.